Hello everyone, welcome back to Basiofon Academy. In our last lesson, we mastered measurement, physical quantities, and SI units. Today we are concluding the next crucial section of the syllabus, dimension, significant figures, and errors. Before we start, let's do a quick active recall. Can you remember what the physical quantity is? What about the SI unit of force? And can you mention just one derived quantity? Think about your answers or drop them in the comment section right now to prime your brain for today's class. Let's talk about dimensions. A dimension shows the relationship between a derived quantity and the fundamental quantities using base symbols: M for mass, L for length, and T for time. Instead of deriving this from scratch every single time during a timed exam like JAMB, you should memorize these four structural heavy hitters. Velocity, which is LT raised to the power minus 1, L is for length, T is for time, that is length per time. The acceleration, which is length per time squared, LT raised to the power minus 2, L is length, T is raised for time. Force is MLT raised to the power minus 2, M mass, L length, T time, mass length per time squared. And density is ml raised to the power minus 3, which is mass per length cube. Write this down somewhere, put them on a sticky note, and memorize them. They show up consistently in both objective and dimensional analysis questions. Next is significant figures, often called sig figures. These are the digits in the measurement that actually carry meaning or precision. Let's look at the basic rules using 3 classic exam examples. In 12.45, all the numbers are non-zero, so we have 4 significant figures. Next, look at 0.00450. This is where students fail. Leading zeros never count. They are just placeholders. However, the trailing zero at the very end counts because it shows precision. So 0.00450 has exactly 3 significant figures. Lastly, for 15.000, those trailing zeros after the decimal point do count, giving us 5 significant figures. Remember, leading zeros never count. Keep that rule in mind and you won't fall into WAEC trap. No measurement is perfectly exact. There is always some degree of error. For your exams, you need to know 3 main types. First is gross error. This is entirely due to human mistakes or oversight, like when a student misread a scale or writes down figures incorrectly. Second is systematic error. This happens because of a problem with the instrument itself. If a meter rule has a worn out 0 mark, every measurement you take with it will be consistently wrong. Third is random error. These are unpredicted variations caused by things outside your control, like sudden shifts in room temperature or a current affecting a sensitive balance. Keep these examples clear in your mind. Let's put what we've learned to test with some actual exam style questions. Question 1. The dimension of force is, because we memorized it earlier, we instantly know it is B, MLT raised to the power minus 2. Question 2. An error which occurs due to 40 meter rule is classified as what? Since the instrument is the problem, it's a systematic error. Question 3. How many significant figures are in 0.00450? Remember our rule. Ignore the leading zeros, but count the ending zero. That gives us 3 significant figures. Excellent job if you got all this right. Before you walk into WAEC or JAMB exam hall, make sure you can comfortably check off this list. Know your basic SI unit. Memorize the dimensions for velocity, force, and density. And know your types of errors. These are confirmed exam favorites. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the entire unit on measurement units and dimensions. To solidify your understanding, download the physics drill pack right now for premium practice questions. And if you are struggling with physics, maths, chemistry, or biology, remember that I offer structured online tutoring to give you an extra edge. In our next lesson, we are moving on to techniques, starting with scalars and vectors, alongside distance and displacement. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss tutorial 3. I'll see you in the next class.